Hey, what's up guys, how you guys doing today? So welcome to this video. Today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to use TradingView on your smartphone, right? So you can also use it on your system, but this one is on your smartphone. I'll also be doing video of how you can actually use it on your system too. So with that being said, this is how your TradingView interface will look like. So probably if you want, you can actually go and download the app first, then you can log in direct. You can log in direct with your email, or probably just use a password. But I use my email direct, my email direct to log in. So once you log in with your email, this is how your interface will look like. It's kind of rough somehow because it's on phone, right? So this is how your interface will look like. The first interface, you'll see index, which is stock. Second one, which is future. Third one, which is forest. You can see them here. This one is forest, this one is future, and this one is stock, right? Why the for then you come here to see where you see crypto, then that's all. So what this means is that this actually means the token, the type of market you are going to trade, and they actually put them in order. You can actually, so that it will not be more complicated. If you want to trade stock, you can just come here and trade, find the stock you want to trade. If you want to trade future, you can come here and find the future you want to trade. If you want to trade forex, you can come here. Crypto, just the same as that. So you can actually select, depending on the category you are. If you are trading stock, trading crypto, or trading forest, you can select your category. But today we'll be doing crypto, right? Because I'm trading crypto. But you can actually apply the same method on all the same, on forex and all that. So all you just have to do, this is the coin available that they already put for you, which is put on your ad list or your watch list. So the coin available is Bitcoin to USDT, Ethereum, IDU, and a lot. If you want to add your own coin, all you just have to do is to come into where you see add symbol, click on add symbol. So if you see add symbol, right, so you can see here where you see there is crypto here. If you don't want to add crypto, you can come. If it is index, you can click on index. You see a lot of you want to add on index. If you want to add a coin and option trader, you can see a lot you want to add. So stock market, if you want to add stock, and a lot. So you can actually forest, if you want to add forest too, so you can actually choose the one you want to add. Today we'll be going to crypto. I'll click on crypto. Then once I click on crypto, you see that I will see a lot of crypto right here. A lot of crypto you want to trade with. Maybe let's assume that we are trading with, you can see most of these tokens here, they are boutique, which is they are be added to our whitelist that I showed you earlier. So you can actually find the one you want to add into it. Maybe you want to add this one, which you see, Solana to USDT. You can always click here where you see this plus, click on this plus. You can see it already added to our whitelist. You can actually find the one you want to see. What of this penguin to USDT, click on it. You can actually see it automatically added. So you can do it all the time. If you feel like you want to add any coin, this Litecoin to USDT, click on it, right? Because we are trading against USDT. Any coin is being traded against USDT, you need USDT to actually trade any coin, right? So once we are done adding it, go back here, click here, then go back. Then you see that all the one we added are down below here. You can see we add Solano to USDT, Penguin to USDT, and Litecoin to USDT, which is LTC. So once you already add the coin, then all you just have to do is to, you already know how to add your coin to whitelist. All you just have to do is to come here to where you see chart. Click here where you see chart. Once you click here where you see chart, you will see that these are the coin available. The coin that are available for us to trade right now is called, you can see it here, which is Doge to Tether, Doge to Tether USDT. So if you want to add the coin you want to trade, you can always come here, search here. You can see this little place right here, or you can click on it, then search on the coin you want to add. Let's say um, we'll be adding, let's say for this video we'll be adding Bitcoin to USDT. Let's just do Bitcoin. Click on it, and you will see something change automatically. This is now Bitcoin to USDT. Now you now add Bitcoin to USDT direct to your chart. So you can always come here, this place here, you can always come here to squish it down so that you can lower the chart, to lower the height of the chart. So if you want to change the hour time frame, the hourly or daily time frame, you can always come here to where you see daily here, right? You can see this place here, click on it, then you can see that you can change it to hourly, daily, or monthly. If you want to change it to 4 hours, you can see hourly, minutes, seconds, days, you can put the one you want. So with this video we'll be using 4 hour. Let's click here where you see 4. This chart automatically turn to 4 hour. You can see what this mean is that what it actually mean is that each candlestick right now is not 4 hour. Each candlestick right now is not equivalent to 4 hour, right? So now you understand that you can actually change the token, add token to your whitelist and put the hourly time frame. So how can you add an indicator to it, or how can you actually add line, trend line and other to it? So what you just have to do is to come into where you see this pen, right? You see where you see this pen right here. Click on it. Then you see a lot you want to add to it. You can see trend line, ray, informing line. You can see a lot you want to add to it. Arizona line, a lot. You can see a lot you want to add to it. So let's say we want to add this trend line. Let's click on trend line. So let's say we want to add the trend line. We already click on the trend line. Then we just have to tap on top like this. Tap on the screen. You see that the trend line just appeared. Then we tap on it again. Then we tap on it again. We can actually shift it to where, or long it to where we want to trade, right? Let's just put it somewhere here first. Let's say we want to trade here, we can put it here. So if we want to add another trend line again, just come into this arrow, click on it, then click on the trend line, then tap on the screen. Then you can switch it like this, then tap on it, then drag it down here too. Yeah, drag it somewhere here too, yeah. So, so if you want to do it like that, it's okay. Something like that. So now you now know how to add text, how to draw your trend line. So how do you put take profit and stop loss? So all you just have to do right now is to come here back to where you see this. I will click on it. You can always change different option. Always put any one you want. There is a lot here. You can search on it and put it back there. Right? So let's say you want to put long. Let's say we are longing, right, or we are shorting. Let's say one to long or one to short. Let's click here. You can see here where you see focus and measurement. Click here where you see long. You can see this short. Let's say we are shorting. Click here where you see short. Then tap on the screen. You can see that our stop loss and take profit. Then you can actually come here to put it when you want to put. Let's say we want to put it this exact place and want to put our stop loss below here. You can always tap on it and drag it. Right? You can drag it, then widen it for these four different 1 2 3 4. You can use this for the stop loss. Drag it below right here. Come drag it below. So you can see that this is how it actually works. You can just play with it around, play with it up and down. So that's how it actually work, right? So if you want to add any tools, you can comment to add any tools to it, any tools you want. If you want to maybe add indicator, it's still the same thing. You can comment to where you see this place, click on it, you can see indicator, comment to where you see indicator, right? Let's go back. Let's go back. And don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell right now. So follow our Telegram and also follow our Twitter. Indicator, if you want to add an indicator, comment to where you see this place here. Click on it, then scroll. You can see here where you see indicator. Click on indicator. You can see a lot of indicator you want to add. You can add any indicator. If you want to search on it, click on it and search on maybe moving average. Moving average, where is the moving? Or you can just search on the one you want to add, right? So of Fibonacci retracement, anyone you want to add, or it, you can just always search. You can see Fibonacci level, Fibonacci retracement. You can add anyone you want to add on it. Once you search on it, I don't see the moving average. You can see. If you want to put on moving, maybe it's this one. But if you want to search on or just moving average station, once you click on it, you see that the moving average automatically has been added to it, right? You can see this one will be added to it. You can see that probably the market may be going up. Can actually come here too. So now you now understand how you can actually change everything and how you can actually change your coin, add your coin to whitelist, change your coin, the hourly time frame, the tools you need to add to it, and how you can add your indicator to it. So if you can always come here to where you see community, click on community to be able to see a lot of chat people be predicting and a lot more. Or you come here to where you see explorer to be able to also see what people are talking about. So guys, don't forget, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell, and always let me know the kind of video you you want. If this video is the kind of video you like, do still let me know, and don't forget to like, and see you in the next video. Always tell me the kind of video you want me to shoot for you. So peace out, guys.